Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you were following my video, this is the new market road that I said in my previous video connects with the coastal road that was being constructed in Lagos. So this is part of the road. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys some of the construction sites on the Lagos to Calabar, and this is a very marvelous work because it's really going out smoothly as expected and as planned, though the budget is increasing because of inflation, and we all understand that. And I believe with time and more determination and consistency on this project, this coastal road from Lagos to Calabar is going to be completed within due time as it was proposed. Anyways, this construction is being done by a high-tech company. I already made a video about that, but on today's video we're not talking about the construction company or the rest. We are just gonna look at how far the construction has gone. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back at it again at the Lagos to Calabar coastal road, and on today's video I'll be showing you guys this amazing construction. This will be a detailing video concerning the construction, including the part that has been done and the part that is yet to be done. And also I'll make sure this video is as quick as possible. I'm not going to take your time, probably 8 minutes, and just make sure I explain and show you guys all the construction that's currently going on. Once again, my name is Bernard. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. In as much as there are a lot of controversies concerning this road construction, still on, this construction is going on smoothly. It was started during March, and this construction, it's almost in the first 47 kilometer, at the end of the first 47 kilometer, and this is how it currently looks now. The construction of this road requires heavy duty trucks such as this, and also it requires heavy truck loaders such as the one coming right behind me. Anyways, these tractors and tippers and caterpillars, they all work together. Some work to dig out sand and also granite, while some work as a means of transporting the granite, the sand, to anywhere they are needed. And some also work as levelers. They level the sand and also the road and press it down to make sure it's solid as possible. The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway construction is a very expensive construction, and also a very big one. This coastal road is definitely going to help boost the economy of Nigeria, and also help Nigeria step up the game in terms of commuting passengers all through the country. That's saying in terms of moving within Lagos and other Nigerian parts of the country. Oh, that was dusty as... As you can see, behind me is the construction of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, and where I'm standing right now is also part of the construction of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. This is part of the first 47km that is going to be constructed in Lagos, and this part also started from Victoria Island all the way down to pass through Lekki and the rest. Anyways, on today's video I'll be showing you guys the construction updates and a very detailing videos about this construction, so that you could get to understand and also put your mind at rest. I'll be getting a lot of questions about this coastal road. Even on my Instagram, people keep messaging me, is the construction still going, yes or no? Anyways, on today's video we'll be finding out if the construction is still going or is being called off. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so this video gets to more people. And I also noticed that most of you watching my videos are not yet subscribed. Kindly do it to subscribe, and we could turn on this YouTube into a family thing.